Hello, this is Theman. So I just want to quickly show you how easy it is to use the legacy converter to move from Blender 2.79b version to Blender 5. So let's see, here is the Blender 5 version. So I have the default cube here. I'm gonna delete it and I'm gonna load a file that is saved in Blender 2.79 and I'm gonna load Toys in the Hood 1. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna pop up a 3D view full window and I'm gonna close it. And here is the legacy screen. So as you can see, we cannot see the textures yet. I'm gonna put the material preview on. But what we're gonna do now is that the rendering tab is on, but we're gonna change to output tab. And here, as you can see, there are import export. And here you have legacy converter. Create materials from available images and assign. That's what it does. Let's use it. Okay, texture base. We need to set up the texture base, and this is important because if we don't have a texture base, it's gonna be empty. But of course, the texture base is nHood1. And I'm gonna just press OK. Oh, I didn't select the whole thing. You have to select what you're gonna. I'm selecting all, and again. So now, that's that, and now we have the track here. So these are the textures, and when I put the view layer, you can see here there's the texture vertex color plus alpha. Now the alpha layer is also there. Vertex color, and then you can set the texture only, vertex color, vertex alpha layer, and environment mapping. That's about it. So happy blendering, and ask if you have something that you want to know about. And now it's been vertex colored again. So I could just continue where I left off in the 2.79b basically. And as you can see here, you have double-sided checked, environment map checked. All the properties are transformed from the original version to this version. So everything is working, but I made it easier for you to handle the materials. For example, in the output tab here, you have texture and material tools. You have rename textures, set textures to disk, load textures from disk, fix texture numbers. If you have like assigned materials and textures, but you haven't to faces, but you haven't set the texture numbers, which you can set here. Here's the object tab, and you select the face and then set texture. You have here change texture page. You have all these pages here. But basically, if you haven't set it, you can use the fixed texture numbers, and then you had clear extra material slots. If you are making extra much changes, and then you have extra materials, then you have the clear extra materials also there. And it requires the texture base name as well. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next side of the tube. This was Theman.